Hi everyone, I'm Vidhi and welcome to my channel. So today is 3rd of Feb and in this video I'm going to show you all the Marga market. So years ago when there weren't much of shops and supermarkets around, the Marga market was one stop for all the purchasings related to household. So today I'm taking you all on the tour of this market.
So we have now left to go to the Margao market, and currently we are here in Akem. Okay, so we are now soon going to be reaching the Margao market. So we are now in Margao, and this whole here is the market area. Okay, you all can see there are like so many shops along the roads, and also the traffic. You all can see how it is. This is the street from where we are going. So this here is the gate number 4 of the Margao market. This is the new market area actually, and you can see there are the stores here. Some are new, some are old. Okay, so this is it. And like finding a parking is sometimes quite hard here in this area. It's like a Monday today and still you all can make out the rush. So along the side you all can see this all is the parking for the two-wheelers. Four-wheeler there is no parking here. So this here is the gate number 5 of the new market. Here is the famous Ulhas Jewellers. Okay, and here we have reached here near the municipality. That's the Marga municipality. It has recently been painted. First it was all yellow, now they have done it red, and then in the distance is the municipality garden. So all the major festivities like the Shigmo and all take place here only around. So now we are going to the new market. So we have parked our scooter and now we are going to the old. So we have now entered from the gate number 3 and we are now inside the like main market. I thought people don't usually come here for shopping, but still there are things that we just find here. So there are like such many small lanes inside this whole market and you get like literally everything. You see, mostly here you will see clothes and all. Also some refreshments here. So the lanes are so tiny and confusing that you might also get lost here. So I'm here with my grandfather who used to come a lot here in this market. So he's guiding me to the correct path. I used to come here as a child, but now I don't remember much because everything is just easily accessible now. Whatever you want, you get it right outside. Just come out of your house and you'll get it. We don't come much now inside these markets. it's good to see that people still do come here in these markets to buy stuff.
So we are inside the market and my grandfather is meeting many of his old friends here.
Shops we pass by and it's like, oh, Baba kasa sa? So we entered from another gate, exited from another gate, and now going inside again from the gate number 1. So we are now out on the main street. So basically this whole market, there are 8 entrance gates, okay, 4 on each side. Now on this side there is 4 and on the other side there are 4. Okay, so all this market is like interconnected, no matter from which gate you all enter. So this here on the right side is the Damodar temple. So unlike every Mahashivratri and all, there is a lot of crowd here at this temple. And here you can see now also there are like so many scooters parked and they are all inside the temple only. So when you will come here, you know, like on Sundays and all, you will find lot of crowd here, like double what you will see now. So this here was the gate from where we had first entered. Then we came out from the other gate. And the bakery which you'll see here is another very old bakery here, the Dalima. Now on this side you have all the clothes shops, like not the wearing ones, like the curtains, bed sheets and all those. Oh. So when we came from the scooter, I showed you all this side, and now we are here walking. So here is the gate 4. So here on this street now there are another 4 entrance points. Oh. So now after coming out from the new market, I am now just showing us like just some glimpses of the vegetable and the flower market here. Okay, this is just near the new market only. So this here whole is the vegetable and fruit market. So this whole is the vegetable market here. Okay, so when I was a kid, like every Sunday morning we would come here to buy vegetables for home. But now we just buy from the shops in our neighborhood. Don't really come here. So we are now outside the vegetable market also, and now going back to where we had parked our scooter. So you know, even this vegetable market is like nicely organized and all. There's like a proper building made, and inside there are all these small shops. And here also you have like this whole parking area. So we are now going back from the market. Okay, and from the side we are going is from the railway station side. So if you all follow the straight road, you all will reach to the railway station. So yep, I'll just show it to you all once we reach near the railway station. So honestly speaking, I don't even remember like when was the last time I came here at the Margao market. And today like it was really fun going inside the you know, like those tiny lanes and looking at the shops, although we didn't buy anything much, but yeah, it was like really nice seeing all that. Like it was like kind of nostalgic, like as a kid I used to come here, so that is there. So that was the railway station, and this here is the whole Victor Hospital, and we are just taking a shortcut to go back home now. So I'm now going back home, and with that I'm also ending this tour vlog of the Margao market. Okay, and this was like just a small vlog to show you all the market area of Margao. Okay, and well, that was all for this video, and I hope you all like this video. If you all did, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Until then, take care.